How to make a Libra man fall in love with Virgo woman. The connection between a Libra man and a Virgo woman is built on balance. His charm meets her quiet strength. When air and earth combine, the result can be an elegant and lasting romance. Understanding what draws a Libra man can help a Virgo woman capture his heart naturally and deeply. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Show calm confidence. A Libra man is attracted to women who radiate poise and inner strength. A Virgo woman should stay composed and self-assured without appearing cold. Her quiet confidence will impress his refined nature. 2. Connect intellectually. Both signs value intelligence. Libra admires thoughtful discussions and balanced opinions, while Virgo brings clarity and insight. Sharing ideas on art, life, or values builds strong emotional chemistry. 3. Balance his idealism. The Libra man tends to dream big and chase harmony. The Virgo woman can ground his thoughts with practical advice, gently, not critically. Her realism helps him feel supported and understood. 4. Be subtly romantic. Libra men love beauty and small romantic gestures. A Virgo woman doesn't need to be flashy. A simple handwritten note or a soft smile can melt his heart. Subtle affection speaks louder than grand displays. 5. Offer emotional stability. Though charming, a Libra man can be indecisive. The Virgo woman's steady and loyal nature gives him comfort. By showing patience and emotional warmth, she becomes his safe place. 6. Appreciate his love for beauty. Libra men adore art, fashion, and grace. Compliment his sense of style or join him in cultural outings. When she shares his aesthetic interests, he feels truly connected. 7. Let love grow slowly. Libra values balance, and Virgo values patience. Letting love develop naturally creates trust and harmony, the foundation for a lasting relationship. Understanding how to make a Libra man fall in love with a Virgo woman lies in blending grace with intellect, patience with warmth. When the Virgo woman offers calm energy, honest affection, and shared ideals, she becomes the perfect match for Libra's romantic soul. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.